Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Which state government has launched SHE Cohort 3.0 initiative to empower women-led startups? A. Odisha, B. Haryana, C. Punjab, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Question number 2. Which ministry has launched the toolkit for 9th edition of Swachh Sarvekshan, the world's largest urban cleanliness survey? A. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, B. Ministry of Jal Shakti, C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is C. Question number 3. Which ministry has launched a campaign titled Shatavari for Better Health? A. Ministry of Women and Child Development, B. Ministry of Ayush, C. Ministry of Health, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. Which state has become the first in the country to bring a dedicated global capacity center policy? A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Question number 5. Which state government has launched the Clean Mobility Policy 2025-2030 in February 2025? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. Correct answer is C. Question number 6. Which state government has launched the G-Safal initiative to empower women from underprivileged families? A. Rajasthan, B. Odisha, C. Gujarat, D. Bihar. Correct answer is C. Question number 7. And Proud initiative has been launched by which state government? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Question number 8. The Moran community is primarily found in which states? A. Rajasthan and Gujarat, B. Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, C. Mizoram and Nagaland, D. Bihar and Jharkhand. Correct answer is B. Question number 9. Which ministry has launched Balpan Ki Kavita initiative? A. Ministry of Women and Child Development, B. Ministry of Home Affairs, C. Ministry of Education, D. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Correct answer is C. Question number 10. Which ministry is responsible for implementing online assurance monitoring system? A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, C. Ministry of Finance, D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Correct answer is B. Question number 11. Which ministry has launched India's social protection data pooling exercise with International Labour Organization? A. Ministry of Labour and Employment, B. Ministry of Law and Justice, C. Ministry of Finance, D. Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. Parbati 2 hydroelectric project which was seen in news is located in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Punjab, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 13. Which state government has formed a committee headed by former Supreme Court Justice Kurian Joseph in April 2025 to review center-state relations? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Question number 14. Right to know is implicitly protected under which provision of the Constitution of India? A. Article 19 1A and Article 21, B. Article 14, C. Article 23, D. Article 28. Correct answer is A. Question number 15. Which state government has announced property tax exemptions for houses of Indian Defence Forces personnel within Gram Panchayat limits? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Maharashtra, D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 16. National Center for Polar and Ocean Research functions under which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Earth Sciences, C. Ministry of Education, D. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Correct answer is B. Question number 17. Panchayat Advancement Index 2.0 is a multidimensional assessment framework developed by which ministry? A. Ministry of Rural Development, B. Ministry of Agriculture, C. Ministry of Panchayati Raj, D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is C. Question number 18. Which city has become the fourth capital city in the northeastern region to be connected to the railway networks? A. Imphal, B. Gangtok, C. Kohima, D. Aswal. Correct answer is D. Question number 19. Which one of the following is the state bird of Gujarat? A. Green hornbill, B. Indian roller, C. Greater flamingo, D. Heel myna. Correct answer is C. Question number 20. Which state government has approved the Homestay Policy 2025-30 to promote tourism in rural and tribal areas? A. Chhattisgarh, B. Jharkhand, C. Bihar, D. Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 21. What is the name of the investor-centric portal recently launched by the Ministry of Ayush? A. Ayush Nivesh Sarthi, B. Wellness India Portal, C. Ayush Udyog Bandhu, D. Ayush Vyapar Setu. Correct answer is A. Question number 22. Which state/UT is home to India's first e-waste recycling eco park? A. Delhi, B. Uttarakhand, C. Ladakh, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 23. Tura bypass is being built in which state? A. Sikkim, B. Meghalaya, C. Assam, D. Tripura. Correct answer is B. Question number 24. What is the new motto adopted by the full bench of Lokpal of India? A. Justice for all, power to none. B. Empower citizens, expose corruption. C. Fight corruption, serve the nation. D. Transparency first, accountability always. Correct answer is B. Question number 25. What is the name of the new postal service launched by the Department of Post for Educational Material Delivery? A. Siksha Mail, B. Gyan Post, C. Bharat Book Post, D. Education Express. Correct answer is B. Thank you and I hope you like the video.